Hello students, hope you are in good health. So class 4th, in the previous video we have started our lesson number 2, that is GUI operating system. So in that video we have done till customizing the taskbar, and today we are going to start our next topic, and today date is 10 June 2020 and our topic is icons. So let's begin. As icons are the small pictures that represent files, folders and programs. So the icons play a very important role in graphical user interface. So let us learn about some commonly used icons. So what are the icons? Icons are the small pictures. Icons are the small pictures that are present in our desktop. So we can take the help of icons to open any file, folder or any app. So simply we have to click or double click to open anything on our desktop or our computer. So let us learn about some commonly used icons. So today we will discuss about common icons. So first one is computer, as gives you a view of available drives and their contents stored on the computer system. So double click on any drive icon will display the files or folder contained in that drive. जब हम क्लिक करेंगे इस कंप्यूटर वाले आइकन पे, as you can see from this picture, this one is your computer icon. So अगर हम इस पर क्लिक करते हैं, डबल क्लिक करते हैं, तो ये क्या ओपन करके देगा हमें? अवेलेबल ड्राइव्स इट विल ओपन, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू अवर रिक्वायरमेंट वी कैन चूज एनी ड्राइव, एंड विद इन दैट ड्राइव वी कैन सिलेक्ट एनी फाइल और फोल्डर. So next we have application icons. Application icons. So what are the applications icon? With the help of application icons we can perform our task. So these are the graphical images that gives a quick access to the related application. So by clicking on this application icons, we can open any application and we can perform our task. Next we have shortcut icons. A shortcut is an icon containing a direct route to a specific application, document or a folder. So shortcut icon क्या होता है? अगर हमने directly किसी एप्लीकेशन को ओपन करना है, देन वी कैन क्लिक ऑन द शॉर्टकट आइकन. सो इट हैज़ अ स्मॉल जंप एरो ऑन इट्स लोअर लेफ्ट कॉर्नर, एज यू कैन सी फ्रॉम दिस पिक्चर हियर ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड it is small jump arrow. Next we have document icons. So the active document window of an application can be minimized to a document icon which gets placed on the taskbar. अगर कोई भी एक्टिव डॉक्यूमेंट है, हम उस पर काम कर रहे हैं और हमने उसको मिनिमाइज कर दिया है, सो दैट एप्लीकेशन विल गेट प्लेस्ड ऑन अवर टास्क बार, एंड आफ्टर दैट बाय क्लिकिंग ऑन द टास्क बार वी कैन गेट our application as a back. So next we have network, allows you to access the shared files or devices on different computers in a networked environment. If we want to share our files with another computer or with another person, then there is need of a network. Then we can take the help of this icon. This one is network icon. At last we have recycle bin. So what is recycle bin? Recycle bin is a folder that holds the deleted files or folders. The deleted files or folders can be restored to their original locations from the recycle bin. So recycle bin will contain deleted files or folder. जो भी file और folder हम delete करते हैं, that will goes into the recycle bin. And after that, by opening recycle bin, we can take back that file or folder that we have deleted previously. Next one topic is customizing the desktop. Customizing the desktop means if we want to change the appearance of the desktop, then there are multiple options available. So right click on the blank area of the desktop and select the personalize option. Firstly we have to right click on the blank area, then we have to choose the personalize option. Then the personalization window will appear. This one window will appear. As you can see from here different colors are available. We can choose any color, so that color will be reflected to our window. Next one option is click on the window color option located at the bottom of the window. Select any colors and change the color of window border, start menu and taskbar. As I have told it to you, by choosing any color we can change the color of window border, its start menu and its taskbar. Next option is enable transparency. Enable transparency. Here is enable transparency option. We can choose this one option to transparent our window taskbar. And next we have color intensity, means color हमने डार्क करना है या लाइट करना है, दैट वन वी कैन चूज. देन देयर आर मल्टीपल कलर ऑप्शंस, दैट वन इज ह्यू, सैचुरेशन एंड ब्राइटनेस. So according to our requirement we can change these options also. So these points I have discussed with you. So next we can change also color drop down list box and select any color of your choice. Then select the font drop down list and change the font settings. So from here these options, by clicking on this advanced appearance settings, so this one, after clicking on this one dialog box will open. So here we can choose the font color also, its size also, its color also, and if we want to bold the size then we can click here, and if we want to change the color 1 and color 2 then we can change from here, and after that we have to click on the OK option. So according to that our windows appearance will change, our windows color will change, its brightness will change, its font color, everything we can change with the help of customizing the desktop. Next we have customizing the Windows setup. So here we can change the setting date and time also. So by clicking on these options we can change the date and time option also. So click at the extreme right on the notification area where you see the date and time. Firstly we have to click on the notification area. So this one is your notification area. If we want to change the date and time then we have to click on here. Here we have to click. So when we will click on date and time option at the extreme right side, then this one dialog box will open. This one dialog box will open. So select the change date and time setting option from the pop-up window that opens up. So here we have to click on the change date and time setting option. The date and time dialog box will appear. This one dialog box will appear. So from here we can change the date, and if we want to change the month then we have to click on these icons. If we want to go back at January month we want to go, then we have to click on this previous arrow, and if we want to go further months then we have to click on this forward arrow button. So according to that we can choose the date and the time. Next, as I have discussed with you, to change date we can click these types of options. And next we have, if we want to change time, so let's see what we have to do. If we want to change time then we have to click on these spin arrows, small arrows are there, then we have to click on these arrow. If we want to increase the time we have to click on this arrow, and if we want to decrease the time then we have to click on this arrow. So let's read. To change the R, select the R in the text box located below the clock. So you can also make use of the spin arrows to increase or decrease the value. So click OK, the date and time setting will change. Next we have setting volume of speaker. So this one option, volume or speaker option, is also available on your taskbar. As you can see, this one is your speaker option. Click on the speaker icon present on the notification area. So in the pop-up window, drag the slider up and down to increase the volume respectively. As you can see, when we will click on this speaker icon, this one picture will open. So we can drag this button to increase or decrease the volume. This one is your slider up and slider down we can do. So click the mixer. If you want to separately control the volume of computer speaker and other sounder devices, to mute the volume click the mute speakers button. अगर हमने mute करना है तो हम किस पे क्लिक करेंगे? mute speakers button पे. At last we have use of shortcut menu. So when you click on any icon, a pop-up menu appears which is called context menu. तो जब भी हम डेस्कटॉप पे राइट क्लिक करते हैं then there is pop-up menu will open, and that one menu is called context menu. So shortcut menu is also called context menu. So using this pop-up menu you can save your time to access command. So by clicking on this context menu we can directly open any app or application. So right clicking on the different areas and objects will display different sets of command in the context menu. The context menu is also called the shortcut menu. The context menu is also called the shortcut menu. So first one we have right clicking on the blank area of the desktop. So when we will right click on the blank area of the desktop, then there will be context menu. Context menu will open, or we can say shortcut menu will open. So when you right click on the blank area of the desktop, you will find a menu with the list of options. The personalize option can be seen at the bottom. Using the personalize option, you can change the background settings of the desktop, screensaver, appearance of icons, menus, message box and font color, etc. So when we will right click on the blank area of the desktop, then this one context menu will open, and at last we have personalize option. At last we have personalize option. So by clicking on this personalize option, we can change the background of the desktop, we can set screensaver, we can set or change the appearance of the icons, menus, message box, and we can also change font color, etc. So at very last we have right clicking on an object or icon. अगर हम कोई भी आइकन है जो डेस्कटॉप के ऊपर है, अगर हम उस पर राइट क्लिक करते हैं, then what will happen? So when you right click on any icon on the desktop, you will find an entirely different menu. The properties option will be found at the bottom of the list. जब हम राइट क्लिक करते हैं आइकन पे at our desktop, then there is different menu. As you can see, here are options: open, manage, create shortcut, delete, rename, properties. So at last we have a properties option, and by clicking on this option we can customize or change our icons appearance. So now your lesson number 2 is completed now. So take care students, have a wonderful day.